Josh James and I'm running for Deputy Student Support 2012. I promise to put further pressure on the uni to increase its accommodation, starting with the bunk beds. To retain our outstanding student experience, the uni needs to invest more and stop neglecting our needs. One of the biggest problems facing students today is estate agents, but it shouldn't be. Estate agents are meant to be providing a service, and hopefully after opening up channels of communication between the Guild and estate agents across town, things will change. I've spoken to a few people at work, in the union and the university. They say that their salaries aren't good enough to support their studies. I want to see everyone on campus earning the national living wage of £7.20 an hour to help your studies grow. The reason I'm running is because I'm proactive and good at just having a chat. I think I would do a good job of representing you as a student body and giving you the support you need in your studies.